we are continuing on with the sweet potato puree. Our health visitor recommended to try them on the same food for like 4 or 5 days at a time, so that is what we're doing. One thing I learned yesterday, obviously you should never like force feed your child or anything, and trying to like learn the signals of when they're full. So yesterday she had quite a lot of sweet potato actually. She had more than I thought she would. And I can hear her crying, she's hungry. So she ate quite a lot, and I was really surprised by how much she ate, but it was quite clear like when she was done. So we gave her sweet potato puree and some water, but she was hungry a lot earlier last night. So I have today, I'm going to give her some sweet potato puree, obviously be guided by her when she's had enough. She's got some water, and then I've also made up just a small bottle of milk to make sure that she's nice and full afterwards. So this is round 2, isn't it? We're going to try some more of this. Oh, yeah, you want it already? Shall we try day 2? Right then. Day 2. Just shove that up your nose. Day 2 isn't going quite as well as yesterday. So this is how day 2 is going. We've had about 2 spoonfuls and she's just crying, hysterically crying. Not really interested, so I'm going to give her some milk, fill her tummy up a little bit, try her again, see if she wants it. If she's not, I'm not bothered. Obviously it's completely new for her. It's a whole new experience. She's probably hungry and just wants her milk, so yeah. Let's hope day 3 is a bit better. So we're on to day 3 of weaning now, and I've started a little bit earlier. So I think yesterday didn't go so well because she was really hungry, and obviously she doesn't know that the food is going to settle her yet, so she just wanted her bottle. So I'm going to try her now it's a little bit earlier, and then I'm going to get a bottle ready just to kind of top her up afterwards. But we're hopeful, aren't we, Ada? Give her the last of the sweet potato, and then tomorrow we're going to move on to something else, so we'll see how that goes. I have also got loads of stuff from Amazon, but I have just taken it all out of the packets and sterilised it before showing you. But I've got some bendy spoons and some new bibs. Bear with. So I've got these bibs, they're just nice, cheap and cheerful, but they're wipeable, whereas the other ones had material, which weren't great. Judging by the fact you're trying to eat your bib, are you hungry? Are you hungry? I know, Mummy's put you in a silly white outfit. What's she done that for? Let's get you an old muslin. Yeah, stick that over your white trousers at least. And to try some of this. Right, we're changing tact, aren't we, Ada? So we've had our bottle a couple of hours ago, and now we've been sent these. Not really our first choice of fruit, prunes. Should we try that instead? Oh, just a big burp in my face. No, Mum, I don't think we will. That's quite nice, actually. Try it.
It looks like brown sauce.
It's all right, to be fair. It's not that bad.
Tastes like sugar.
What's that? So we are on day 4 of weaning today. We tried the prunes yesterday. We were sent those from the Mother and Baby Awards. Love the packets, love the idea. They're from Aldi. But they sent us prunes, and it's definitely not my first choice. And judging by Ada's face, she really didn't like them. And also we've had three poos since, and it's not even been 24 hours. So I'm changing tactic today. I have got some properly ripe bananas. I'm going to mash them up, add some cold boiled water, give them a zhuzh with a hand blender, and then give her some of that, and then I'm going to freeze the rest in some silicone trays. I think I might have timed it wrong again. I tried it again last night, basically like in between feeds, and she did enjoy a little bit until she pulled that face. So I'm going to give her some now, but I do think she's getting a bit hungry. She's due a feed in about 45 minutes, so I'm not sure this is going to work. I think it might be better for me to change tactic, give her a bottle and then wait a couple of hours before just trying her with a little bit. Obviously, at this point, it is just about getting her to, well, basically how to learn, isn't it? It's not about how much she eats, it's just getting used to the texture and stuff. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to make the banana puree now, and I'm going to try her, but I have a feeling I'll be trying her again later. So these bananas are really ripe, actually. Really ripe. But I got some little silicone ice cube trays from Amazon, which are really good. They're only small. So perfect for like her at the moment, because you know, we're not making massive quantities. She's not eating massive quantities, so we don't want, you know, loads clogging up the freezer. And they're like 6 in a tray. So, and you can stack them on top of one another, and they don't take up too much room, which is good. So I'm going to give them a good mash first. Then I'm going to add a bit of water, mash it again, and then just give it a zhuzh with the hand blender, because I want it quite fine. Obviously this is the first time she's tried it, so I'll show you what the consistency looks like once I've done that. Okay, so I've mashed them down. I probably put a bit too much water in that. It's really quite runny. Yeah. That's quite nice. So the banana was it? Wasn't it? Like, all gone. And she kept getting really excited. She kept going. So I take that, and this is literally all that's left from 2 good heap spoonfuls. So take it, we like banana. These are the ice cube trays that we got from Amazon. So they're in a pack of 3, and they've got these little lids on, so they're for weaning. But I just thought, like, that bit on the bottom is squeezy, so nice and easy to get them out. And they're like the perfect size. And obviously having 3 little ones, they don't take up an awful lot of room in the freezer. So I'll link these below. So I've just put, I've done a fill 2 with banana, because I say that and I start pouring them everywhere. But obviously I know that she likes these, but that's how they stack on top of one another. I thought they were really good. So I've done 2 banana, because I know that she likes those. That's 12 days worth. And then we'll find something else that she likes and pop in that one. But I might get some more of these, because they're nice and compact. They're not going to take up too much room in the freezer, and I've only got a tiny freezer, so perfect. So we are on day 7 of weaning today. I can't believe, like, it's gone so quickly. We have definitely had a few different flavours, haven't we, Ada? We've had sweet potato, prunes, which went down really well. Not our first choice. And then banana, which she absolutely loves. That's been our menu for the first week. So for the second week, we're going to try carrots. We're going to try probably broccoli. What do you think? Broccoli? And see how we get on with those. My mum has also bought us some little pouches from Aldi, which is where the prunes were from. We were sent those. We applied to be testers for the Mother and Baby Awards. Like, anyone can do it. So it's worth keeping your eyes peeled, because I've had an anti-roll changing that, and then the fruit pouch, which obviously wasn't it's not something I would choose probably to feed Ada. Something I probably wouldn't try again, but I love the idea of them. We've also had our high chair delivered, and we've gone for a Silver Cross one. We've got a Silver Cross travel system and it is amazing. This one reclines. It's actually suitable from birth. We probably wouldn't have used it. I mean, if that's not reality, I don't know what is. Have you quite finished? Banana tends to make you a bit windy, doesn't it? Quite often have a fart whilst we're having our banana. She's quite small for that at the moment, so I think we'll give it a few weeks before we try her in there. Like, these next few weeks, it's all just about exploring. We're going to try different flavours. I'm getting her to, you can probably tell because it's smeared everywhere, but I'm getting her to touch the bowl. I'm getting her to touch the food. I'm getting her to try the spoon, you know, holding that and just getting her really interested in it. It kind of encourages them to learn. Especially if you're not doing baby-led weaning, I think it's a really good thing because it's also getting them involved so they can stick their fingers in. You touch that? Her face when she touches it is hilarious. She's like, what the hell is this? Let's not chuck it over everybody, but why don't you put your fingers in it? She's like, no, I've done that before, thanks. Stick your fingers in there. That's it. What's in there? Oh. So it's all just about like encouraging them to like feel all the different textures, which like for Ada's age, like she loves anything that's touchy-feely. So I'm really hoping this is gonna like build her interest in what she's eating. She's like, what the hell is this? Like this bit definitely gets quite messy, all in her fingers. She wipes it all over her play tray. She gets it all in her hair, but this is why we choose to feed her. This is the feed kind of before bath. So what we tend to do is feed her, we'll clean her down, we'll go for a nice walk, bring her back, she has a little bit of playtime, and then we bath, bottle, bed. So she's definitely had fun this week, like exploring like all the textures and like feeling things in her fingers. You can tell like it's literally all over her, but that's part of the fun, isn't it? It's definitely messy. But yeah, it's really nice to see her like interacting with it and like showing a bit of interest, and hopefully it'll mean that she'll continue to be interested in food, so that's a good thing. These next few weeks, they're all going to be about us experimenting with different flavours, different textures. I'm going to encourage her to get her fingers in there, get nice and messy. I'm going to encourage her to hold the spoon and just play about with it, really, just prepared to be in a mess. Hence the massive oversized bibs, which are absolutely amazing because it covers the whole of her. So I hope you've enjoyed coming along for the ride. It's been really fun sharing our first week weaning with you. It is something I'm going to continue to document, so when I try new recipes, new ideas, new textures, anything like that, then I'm going to come back and I'm going to update you in a few weeks' time. So make sure you have hit the subscribe button to follow our journey, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.